Today we'll be trying out the Cut-55DS air plasma cutter from YESWELDER. This lightweight portable machine runs on 110 or 220. It's super easy to use, reasonably priced, yet made with good quality materials. To assemble, the cutting torch and the ground cable are plugged into the front of the machine. It's very simple and nothing can be plugged in wrong because each connection is unique and it's impossible to mess it up. There's a water trap filter, air pressure regulator on the back that needs to be assembled and installed also. There's an arrow right here that points to the right, so the compressor fitting is installed here with a little bit of Teflon tape. An included plug goes here, and I threw some tape on that too. And finally, a hose fitting right here with some Teflon tape. The bracket that holds the filter is installed right here with 2 screws, and there's a tab right here that gets locked in to the filter, and then this blue threaded nut gets cranked down there and tightened. Then I warmed up this hose a little bit with a heat gun, and that guy gets plugged right in there. To release it, you push in on these blue things and it comes right out. So push in and push in. To adjust the air pressure, simply pull up on the adjustment knob, turn it one way or the other, and then lock it into place. This is the drain, so when you unhook the air, you'll see this pop up and it automatically drains. To use the machine, you have a button right here that says 4T or 2T, and that's how your trigger behaves. 2T is on, cut, off. 4T is on, cut, and then you have to turn it off. We'll be cutting some sheet metal today, so for reference I grabbed this chart off the internet, and it says set the amps at 20 and the PSI at 30. We'll be using this gauge, this button, and the regulator to adjust the air pressure, and this dial to adjust the heat. So we'll turn the machine on, hook up the air, and we're right at 60 right now. We'll hit this button and the air will start coming out. We'll pull up on the regulator and adjust it to 30. And now our air is set, and we can adjust this down to right around 20. With everything set up, let's give it a try. The air automatically shuts off after the tip is cooled, and you don't have to touch the tip of the cutting torch to the metal to start cutting. You may have also noticed that I had a little guide on there, and that's just made out of 1/8 inch round stock that I picked up at the hardware. I'll give you a close-up shot of that. You can just clip it on there and turn it any way you want. Sort of keeps the cutter a distance away from the metal, and you can also use it to cut straight. With non-touch pilot arc, a powerful 1/2 inch clean cut, and right around $450, I think this is a great machine for the beginner or the professional. I hope you enjoyed this video on the YESWELDER CUT-55DS air plasma cutter. And if you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.